Hi, I'm Levi with Monarch Defender, and I'm going to be showing you the ins and outs of your Defender. Under the hood here, we've got a 430 horse Corvette LS3 engine attached to a Chevrolet 6L80E automatic transmission. To check your engine, dipstick is here, fill from here. To check your transmission, dipstick and fill is right here. Windshield washer fluid, all the normal goodies. Moving over here, we got your power steering reservoir. There you can check fluid and fill. On the back here, we have the fuse panel for the LS3 system. This will have all the fuses that control everything under the hood. And finally, over here next to your brake booster, we've got your charge ports. Underneath the seat is where the battery is in almost all Defenders. So in ours, we keep terminals right up here so that you can easily charge from outside the car. Back here, we got the brake booster. For checking fluid, simply lift up on this cap and tighten it back down when you're done. Up front here, this is the fill for your coolant. We just use universal coolant, 50-50 mix. Moving inside the Defender here, you can see the nice Monarch style interior. We've got the upgraded wool carpeting package here. Underneath your driver's seat is where the battery is located. Simply lift up this panel to get access. If you want to cut the battery, this will cut all power to the battery. What we use that for is if you're going to park the car for long periods of time over the winter, stuff like that, you can cut power. Moving inside to your dashboard here, we've got your hazard switches, power door locks, window switches front and rear, window switches front and rear for the passenger side. Moving down, we've got the AC control unit. Down here on your dashboard, you have a switch for the electronic parking brake. This switch will be sent to you by mail. We'll have one that actually has the correct symbol on it for parking. Over here we have heated glass, rear and front on a timer. Right here we have your Apple CarPlay, so you can connect your phone and music and GPS to the stereo unit. USB charge port. Here is lights for your fog lights, rear fog light, and for your bumper lights. Here's the switch for your interior dome light. And here's the switch for the stars in the ceiling. Up here we have your gauge cluster. This is the Dakota digital unit. It'll give you a digital display for your mile per hour, mileage on the car, tripometer, and then the gear that you're riding in. It also lights up and changes colors. You can do that by accessing these two buttons. The instruction manual will be included in the vehicle when you get it. Your car is equipped with 6 waterproof speakers, a subwoofer, and 2 tweeters on the dash. To get control of the subwoofer bass level, you can access it down here by turning this knob up or down. Your rear view camera display will come up when you shift the car neutral on your stereo head unit, like so. This is your AC control unit. This will control the temperature up and down. This will control the fan speed up and down. This will control the heat or AC. To turn it on, just click it till it says AC. Mode, the mode button will simply switch where in the vents the air is coming from. So right now it's on bi-level, that's your floor and your top vents. Defrost and top, when it says vent, it's your top vents. Floor is all floor. And that's about all there is with that unit. Defenders are 4-wheel drive all the time. The driving position for a Defender is to the right and back in this H position. That's high. If you flip this forward, it puts it in low for off-roading purposes, and over. Now we're in diff lock low or diff lock high. Generally for driving these vehicles at all times, you'll want to keep it to the right and back. That's the high position. That's for highway and road driving. So for your power lock, simply click this button once. That locks the vehicle. And if you click it one more time, that unlocks the vehicle. To control the stars in the ceiling of your Defender, simply come down to this switch here on the dashboard. That will turn the lights on. From there, the color of the lights in the stars and the lights on your floor mood lighting can be changed with this remote. By moving your finger across the touchpad, you can change the color of the mood lighting. From this remote, you can also control these lights here in the back. You can turn them off, turn them on, and they'll change colors with the stars in the ceiling. When you open the rear door in your Defender, these two dome lights will come on so you can easily see your cargo. Moving down, we have your rear waterproof speakers. All the speakers in this truck are waterproof. And another USB charge port, and that's on either side for easy access. Underneath your back seat, on this side we have your subwoofer. It can be adjusted from that door side if you ever want to change volume or the quality of sound or the frequency of sound being picked up from the subwoofer. Under this side of the seat, we have your rear AC unit. To turn it on, it's this switch. Turn the fan on, turn the fan off. The temperature for this unit is controlled up front with the front AC control unit. Here's the custom bag set that came with your Defender. Example. What these bags look like. Beautiful leather quality. Inside of the backpack, we have the documents that come with your vehicle. This will be instructions for your gauges and any aftermarket equipment that came with your vehicle, including your stereo and subwoofer. This is the floor mat set for your Defender. The fronts will come with 2 rubber mats that fit the floor grid, as well as 2 carpeted mats. You can choose to use either or neither. In the rear, it's going to be a double-sided. So the bottom's going to be rubber, top's carpeted. They're reversible, you can flip them and use either side. Same with the very rear here, rubber on one side, carpet on the other face. Back here on the rear bumper, we have the bulkhead plug. This is so you can hook a trailer to if you ever decide you're going to haul a small